Students, today we are doing lab activity for subtraction. So in the lab activity for subtraction, we have to prepare the material. What we have to prepare, you can see here clearly. See, we have to cut a color paper. Like here I have cut it a 5 color paper in a circular shape and I have written 100 on it. Okay, next I have cut it 50 circle of a different color paper and I have written 10 on it. Next I have cutted again 50 circle of a next color paper and I have written 1 on it. Now you can see we are having one number 353. We have to subtract 269 from 353. So we just arrange this circle according to their place value. Like in 100 place, we will put 300. In a tens place, we will put 5 tens. And in a ones place, we will put 3 ones. Now what we have to do, we have to subtract 9 from 3 and that's not possible. 9 को हम 3 में से subtract नहीं कर सकते, तो we have take borrow. We will take borrow from this tens. We will take 1 10 to the ones place. Now we all know that 110 is equals to 10 ones. यानी हमने जो 110 रखा है, अगर मैं उसको यहाँ से उठाऊं और इसकी जगह क्या प्लेस करूं 10 ones. Now you can see I have put it 10 ones over here, so these all become, this 3 ones became 13 and this will become 4 tens. Okay, now we have to subtract 9 from 13, so we just remove 9 ones, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 ones. So which number we are having? We are having 4 here. So 13 minus 9 gives us 4. Now in this tens place we are having 4 tens and it's not possible to subtract 6 from 4. So what we are doing, we just take one borrow from the 100 place and we put 100 over here. Now we all know that 100 is equals to 10 10. Now what we are do, we just remove this 100 and we put here 10 tens. Now you all can see this 4 tens after borrowing become 14 tens. Okay, now we have to remove 6 circle from this 14. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 tens I have removed. So how much tens we are having now? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So here I am writing 8. Now we are having 200s. So this 3 will become 2 because we already taken one borrow from here. Now 2 minus 2 gives us 0. So the answer is 84 in this subtraction. This is the lab activity for subtraction. By this you can use any number and you can perform your lab activity using this circle. Thank you and have a nice day.